Hello folks. Alright, so let's do a quick preview of the next few things we're going to be going over. So, the first thing will be a quest tracker. So we have our quest logged where we can check the details of a quest, but let's say you need a little help finding the things. So you can click this, and then it'll pop up in there in the corner with the one you're tracking, and it'll also point out the closest items that you need to gather or the closest enemies you need to kill. So instead of doing like a traditional every item is always showing up, like with every one of them having the thing, I figure we'll do like a hint system. So let's say you're out in the woods, you're trying to find the green herb, you're like, is that it? Is that it? I don't know. Let's you know what, I need a hint. Yeah, that's one of them that I'm looking for, and then you know what it looks like, and then that way players can be, because some players like not being guided, some players want it, that way you can kind of have it for both. You can either have it to where it pops up on just the closest one or just all of that type, whichever way you prefer. But alright, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to finally fix our bow system. So right now, or the way it is in our project is you don't have to have any arrows equipped, you can just fire arrows forever. But what we're going to do, make it to where she actually equips them. In the bottom left you see I got 10 arrows, and now that's how many I got in my quiver. That's all I can fire. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. And if I unequip them, got 8 back here, and I can't fire anymore. Equip them again, 8 back in my quiver, good to go. Then after that, what we'll be doing is treasure chests. So we'll set it up to where chests spawn with random loot and gold, and you can either click things individually and pick them up, or we'll put up a button right here that will just take everything. So if I run over to this one and then I just want the sheet, or if I just want the potion, I got a better shield, I don't need that, and then I take the gold, and then we'll be able to come back, like I changed my mind, I want that shield. So you'll be able to come back and recheck chests. It'll also have the animation opening up. So this is what we're all going to be doing next. So yeah, it's going to be fun. It'll be a couple days before I'm able to get these videos out. So, well, probably either tomorrow or the next day, because today is Thanksgiving. I just wanted to do a quick preview video for y'all. So happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, and go be with your family. See y'all later. Bye.